For this problem, we're given two strings, and we have to check if string A can be obtained by rotating string B two places. So we're given the example, if string A is Amazon and B is AZONAM, then the output is true because AZONAM, you take this and move it here, it is Amazon. How I'm thinking about doing this is to create two new strings clockwise. So this would be if B is clockwise of A, so you would move, if you move the first two to the back, then it's Amazon. The second new string would be counterclockwise, which is the beginning of Amazon is at the end. Check if clockwise or counterclockwise is equal to string A. If it is, return true, otherwise return false. So now I've written out the code. Our method is going to return a Boolean, called it rotate2. It takes in string A and string B. I created the Boolean that will return, which I called answer, string CW for clockwise, and string CCW for counterclockwise. We're also going to check some things to see if we can some edge cases. So if string A and string B don't have the same length, then they can't be the same, so we'll return false. If B length is less than or equal to 2 and B is not equal to A, so let's say the strings are AX and BY, there's no way those can be rotated so that they're the same, so we will return false. If B dot length is less than or equal to 2 and the strings are the same, like BA, BA, then if you move the BA this way or this way, it's going to stay BA, and so that's true. Otherwise, we'll keep going. So I created an integer called current, which I set equal to 0. So first, we're creating the, in this chunk, we are creating the clockwise string. So let me write this out. So if we have Amazon, our goal is to get to ONAMAZ. So first we're going to, until the end, we're going to write AMAZ, and then we're going to go through another loop that adds ON to the beginning, except I just realized that mine is going to add, it's going to add an O. So let me quickly go fix that. Okay, now we got that fixed. So I took out two of our loops. So I said, now it's saying while the current is less than the array length minus 2, so it'll stop when it gets to this point. We're going CW clockwise will equal AMAZ. Then we're going to add to the beginning, we're going to say CW is equal to O-N-A-M-A-Z, and then CW is equal to O-N-A-M-A-Z. So that's our CW has gotten to what we want. Now for our counterclockwise, if we take Amazon, we want to get to a Z-O-N-A-M. So we're setting the current equal to 2, so we're going to start here. And CCW will then equal AZON. Then we'll take, will be A, oh wait, this should be at the end. It'll be CCW plus A at 0, CCW plus A at 1. So we'll have AZON, and then at 0 is A, and at 1 is M. So we'll get what we are searching for. Then we are checking if A is equal to clockwise, or if A is equal to counterclockwise, then the answer is true. Otherwise, the answer is false. And actually, else if not equal to CW or A not equal to CCW, because I don't want to get rid of our true and false that are up here. So I changed this to an else if. So if it's not equal to this, and it's not equal to that, then the answer is false, and we're returning answer. We can get rid of this. Our time for this is going to be 2n, where n is the length of string A, because we're going to be going through string A 2 times to get our new strings, and our space is going to be 2n, because we're going to be creating 2 new strings the same length as string A.